This is Brett Moomey with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a tour of this absolutely immaculate 2012 Cruisers 430 Sport Coupe. You'll see the hull paint, which was just done in 2019 in an Audi Nimbus Gray. The owner is in the automotive world and paint specific, so he went kind of over the top with this paint job as far as full block and sanding, 3 coats of primer, 2 coats of paint, 3 coats of clear, and was involved in the whole process. The current owner is the second owner. The first owner owned it for 1 season. Current owners purchased the vessel in 2013 and it has stayed here ever since. 100% fresh water, never has seen salt, and low hours. The Volvo IPS 500s only have 430 engine hours on them, and the generator is around 230 engine hours, and the condition is quite possibly the best 2012, 13, 14, 15, even 16 that I've seen. Flooring's perfect. Interior vinyl's perfect. Canvas is in great shape. Canvas was recently done. Full Garmin electronics were done in 2022. You'll see the backup camera, radar, and then at the helm you'll see the new screen and the autopilot controls. There is a nice large telescoping ladder here. The owner added a davit system with a power winch for a tender here. All of the gel coat is flawless. The owner upgraded this table to what you see here. He still has the 2 more cocktail size tables, as well as the lower stanchions and the filler cushions to make this a full sunbed area. There is obviously the full canvas drop curtain as well as a screen inserts. You'll see a lot of attention to detail in how this owner maintained this vessel, down to things like updating the switches. And here's the full Garmin controls that were added in 2022. Canvas on the bow. Sun lounge is in excellent condition as well. There's 2 locations that these seats can flip up to, if I can do it with one hand. Which I can't. We do have port and starboard walkways, as well as the walk-through windshield, which is super comfortable. I can do this without even my hand grab. Of course, the opening sunroof, full audio controls for the co-captain or a remote at the helm. Your AC controls for cockpit air and heat. And then interior is just as clean as exterior. 2-burner electric stove, fridge, freezer, trash underneath, obviously sink. Everything is in truly immaculate shape. Even down to additional little spare snaps and parts like the impeller, things that wouldn't fit well or work well in the engine room, which we'll get to, where there's a full spare parts kit. There's fire sticks on all 3 televisions, so you can dupe into Wi-Fi. Heads, of course, are immaculate as well. Same with the mid-berth. Leather cushion set. Exterior sunscreens for the windshield. Entertainment system for the mid-berth. Overall, a absolutely rare find in condition and maintenance history for this age vessel. Next, we'll hop in the engine room, show you condition in there. All right, moving into the engine room, you'll see the condition down here follows through with the rest of the vessel. Absolutely immaculate. There is a spare parts kit that has 1 or 2 of just about everything you could ever need. Engines are extremely clean. Bilge spaces are extremely clean. Generator only has 220 hours on it. Batteries were just replaced, and the owner added an additional house battery, moving it from 2 to 3. Full labeling, just like current batteries, where you can see, or for current cruisers, you can see labels of all the batteries, switching instructions, all of your fuses, chargers, seacocks, all of that. Pods are perfect, no sign of wear or corrosion. And same goes with the Volvo engines. Again, this is Brett Moomey with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. This boat, which has been kept with the current owner in Bay Harbor, Michigan, will be transporting down to our Grand Haven showroom, available for virtual tours or a physical tour anytime. Reach out for more information to skipperbuds.com or me personally.